Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bella. Hi guys, in this video we will talk about personal pronouns. In German they are called Personalpronomen. Well guys, what are these Personalpronomen? Well, these are used to replace nouns in a sentence. These Personalpronomen make a sentence shorter and they avoid of you repeating the same noun over and over again. Also, you need to know that they need to match the gender of the noun that is being replaced by it. So guys, these personal pronouns, in German called Pronomen, they can be shared into three main groups. The first group is the first person. That means you talk about yourself, that would be singular, or you're talking about yourself and maybe a family member or a friend, which would be plural. So the next group would be the second person. In the second person, we are talking to someone. Well, we can do that in an formal way or in an informal way. And also we can talk to one person in a formal way, or we can talk to more than one person in a formal way. We can talk to one person in an informal way, or more than one person in an informal way. And our third group would be the third person. That means we are talking about somebody else. That could be one person, masculine, feminine, or neutral, or it could be plural. That means you're talking about more than one person. Are you ready for the first group? So in the group of talking in the first person, if you talk about only yourself, you would use ich. Ich. But if you want to talk about yourself and maybe a family member or a friend, you would use wir. Wir. So ich for singular and wir for plural. So guys, let me give you an example. You could say, ich wohne in Hamburg. Ich wohne in Hamburg. But if you would like to say, me and my mother are living in Hamburg, you would say, wir wohnen in Hamburg. Wir wohnen in Hamburg. Let's head to the next group. If we're talking about the second person, that means we're talking to someone. We can talk to someone in an informal way. Then we would use du. Du. If we're talking to someone in an informal way, more than one person, we would use ihr. Ihr. Du for singular, ihr for plural, when you talk to someone in an informal way. Let me give you an example on this one. You could say, wohnst du in Hamburg? Wohnst du in Hamburg? If you're asking about more than one person in an informal way, you would ask, wohnt ihr in Hamburg? Wohnt ihr in Hamburg? If we're talking to someone in the formal way, you would use Sie. Sie. If we're talking to more than one person in a formal way, we would also use Sie. So guys, we will know that Sie as a singular, but also Sie in plural. Let me give you an example for this. Frau Meier, wohnen Sie in Hamburg? Frau Meier, wohnen Sie in Hamburg? The singular, the plural will be Frau und Herr Meier, wohnen Sie in Hamburg? Frau und Herr Meier, wohnen Sie in Hamburg? You see, guys, when we're talking in a formal way, in singular and in plural, we will use Sie. And this Sie starts with a capital S. So guys, our next group would be the third person. That means we are talking about someone. If we're talking in singular, that means we're talking to one person or about one person, we will use er if it's a male person. Er. Er. If it's a female person, we would use sie. Sie. And if it's neutral, we would use es. Es. And if we're talking about more than one person or more than one thing, we would use sie. Sie. Let me give you an example on this. Er wohnt in Hamburg. Er wohnt in Hamburg. Er, singular. Sie wohnt in Hamburg. Sie wohnt in Hamburg. Sie wohnen in Hamburg. Sie wohnen in Hamburg. And this time, the Sie is written with a capital letter only because it's at the beginning of a sentence. So guys, now let me show you on how to correctly use the pronouns. You ready? Okay, let's start with a sentence. Max wohnt in Hamburg. Max wohnt in Hamburg. Now we want to replace Max by using the right pronoun, which will be er. Er. Er wohnt in Hamburg. One more example. Laura und Lena wohnen in Hamburg. Laura und Lena will need to be replaced by, correct, sie. Sie wohnen in Hamburg. Sie wohnen in Hamburg. And remember, guys, it's only written with a capital S because it's at the beginning of the sentence. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope you know how to correctly use the pronouns now and how to correctly replace the nouns with the pronouns. I hope to see you in my live session on Sunday. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.